Joshua. Hi, it's Carly. Okay, listen.
This is Alex.
You get down and you stay down.
This is Alex, my sister.
I love Alex. Okay.
Here's gonna be Alex and Tally's room.
It's blue.
Here's my favorite Tally.
Okay, shut.
Here's the closet. Here's gonna be my room and Cousin Vicky when she visits. I don't think she'll like that. And come look what I found. In this drawer, I found this dictionary.
Guys, we're going upstairs.
Alright.
Oh my. No. Oh.
We have a really big basket. We can find this one on top. This is probably going to be an crystal room. There's a closet. I can clap it in there.
Joshua, you're so stupid.
Here's the bathroom with shower, toilet, and
You take a picture in your new room so you can show your buddy.
Here's gonna be Quinto's office, I think, I'm not sure, no, or it'll be a dining room. Here's a little big closet. Let's go check out the closet.
You mean the kitchen?
Here's the basement.
Say something about the kitchen.
Very big down here in the sky. Alright.
Wait, no, say something about the kitchen. We only have 3 seconds left.
We're gonna go see the kitchen really fast. There's some people in there. Come on.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. There's the kitchen. Bye. Bye-bye. Here's the closet. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.